Hello everyone, my name is Atharv Vyas.
Myself Aman Tiwari.
And I, Arshit Joshi, are going to demonstrate 3-element Yagi-Uda with folded dipole antenna as driven element.
Used antenna trainer kit ST2261. The transmitter side is on the trainer kit itself. The antenna used at the transmitter end is a Yagi-Uda folded dipole. It is a 3-element Yagi-Uda with folded dipole as a driven element. And here is the receiver end, which is a fold antenna dipole reflector.
Stub, which is basically an impedance matching circuit that matches the impedance of the input and output impedance. Here is a tone generator. The tone generator comes into picture whenever we want audio signals. The RF generator generates a maximum of 750 MHz. The output of the tone generator and the RF generator is coupled by the directional coupler, and the output is in the direction of the antenna. Current is adjusted through this knob and it should be maximum.
Part. The receiving antenna is placed at a distance from the TX side. We take the distance 47 cm. We find it by adjusting the receiving power and fixing the transmitting power at 40 microampere, and we find it the 3/4 of the receiving power at 30 microampere. Both antennas are transmitting antenna and receiving antenna are in line of sight. Here is a mark which should be at 0 initially, corresponding to this 0 angle. The reading at the RX antenna is recorded. At 0 angle, the reading is 30 microampere. Now, we rotate the knob and keep it on 10-degree angle. And we find the reading of receiving part will be 20 microampere. The reading is keep changing just because of the interference coming from the hand or any other metallic object. Now we keep adjusting the transmitting knob and put it on 20 degree, and we take the reading at the receiving part and it will be 18 microampere. Similarly, we rotate it and take all readings at corresponding angles from 0 degree to 360 degree. That means 350 and 0 degree. As we found different values of current at different values of angle. As 0 degree angle, we found 30 microampere current. As 20 degree, 30 degree, up to 360, we got 30 microampere, 20 microampere, different values of current. Now we will find the value of gain, that is 20 log the value of current. Now we calculate gain, that is 20 log. We define current as a variable, that is A. Now calculate it at 30. We get the value of gain, that is 29.5 dB. After that, we put value, that is 20. We got gain, that is 26.02 dB. We will do that up to the value, that is 360 degree angle, and we will found all these values of gain. We similarly found all the values of gain at all angles here. Now we start plotting the graph, that is we scale this straight line of single unit as 5 microampere current, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Now we first plot 0 degree angle. We have 30 microampere current, that is here. We have 20 degree angle, 20 microampere current. So 20 degree angle, that is this, and we have 20 microampere current. 20 degree, we have 20 microampere current, that is. Similarly, we plot all the points. This experimentation, we obtained radiation pattern for 3-element Yagi-Uda antenna with folded dipole with as a driven element. That's all from our side. Thank you.